سلام كم يتغنوا جايز كافيلي كلتا ميتن حمسان شح دولار زواجو ورقي زشلم بميستر بيست ترالو ودر كنرينا كاب ملا علم ويكاني كاب حانت هاجر حادثة بتوادا ديرلوس لزي من كم تعود كنرينا إرترا let's go
Behind me is one person from every country on earth.
حادثة كاب حانت هاجر
We're gonna see which country's the best. We compete in the most extreme version. We have track, archery, gymnastics, soccer, and fencing. What
أوه إريتريا مجمرة تراي
country on earth? We're gonna see which country's the best. We compete in the most extreme version. We have track, archery, gymnastics, soccer,
يا بكعسو
and fencing. But only one country is going to walk away with this $250,000 gold medal.
أو قدام يزوج خلتا ميتن حمسان شح زواجا زاتري وارو لهم أبلع زلا ورقي يخعوت مالتي.
You have 30 seconds to get across these 3 hurdles that get bigger and bigger before this giant wall closes you out. All right.
قدام يتودد زامع صقصاب تعصون عام محلافي.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! The first challenge of the Beast Olympics has begun. Oh, they're sprinting. This is insanity.
Yeah.
The wall is closing fast. You better hurry.
ترشيد الشيء.
You made that look easy.
قدامي إندونيسيا قدامي.
Competing for this gold medal.
إريتريا بزلو. نترى له زي. يا بتصبوا كنا ذات الله خالفاي.
The wall is closing. You gotta jump. There's only 8 seconds left. Move.
Yeah.
The walls are almost closed. Hurry up. Carl, come on.
Oh.
You guys are one step closer to this gold medal.
Indonesia, baby, you already know.
Brazil, we made
إندونيسيا تقدم يزاتوي برازيل.
it, baby. Over half the countries were eliminated in the
إثيوبيا بزحت هاجرات وصين كابزا وددر زي كابزا قدام
first
يتوددر.
game, and 97 are moving on.
تسعان شوعة حليفنا
I want you
الله.
all to remember you're representing your country. Let's reveal the next event.
نهاجركم يغنتو كلو.
Our next event, welcome to gymnastics. Each round includes 10 countries, and only the first 5 people to make it to this middle platform move on. Only 5 are moving on. 5, 4, skip a few, go!
حموش بزلو حموش بزلو أبزيا قدامه حموش بزيا زبط حيم زعوت مالتي.
Go.
Syria, flying through the course!
Oh.
You can do it! I believe in you. No. Oh no! I believe in you! Syria!
سوريا وديو قدامه وديو.
Oh, we got first finish!
إندونيسيا يتقالن إندونيسيا جونا بز قدامه ياتي تريو لهم.
Well, you got it. Oh my God.
Come on!
جرماني.
Let's go.
Iraq, just jump over!
Iraq, bro. Don't let him hold you up. Don't wait. Go, Iraq. Go.
العراق قبل على ألبانيا. أوه.
Listen, you guys gotta decide.
It's a competition.
Okay, great. Good luck then.
Come on.
سنغال. أجوغادا.
Hey, you gotta go!
Go.
صومالي.
Bro, they're stepping over him and... Get out of the way!
أوه.
Only 3 spots left.
Come on, Philippines, go.
Hey! Take it slow. Just take it slow.
أرجنتينا.
Go fight for it! Fight!
ميسي بلو لحدا. أرجنتينا let's go.
After our second game, things got a little crazy.
What? إرترا بزنلا. أمريكا دحري ودق على تري ولا.
Oh no, America. Oh my God.
أمريكا.
America's out.
America!
إرترا تبغى غير الله يتينك.
Is he gonna be it? Oh, we lost somebody! Oh, Turkey!
يا إرترا أتيلو.
And now it's time for our final.
Final round. إرترا حليفو خليت راوند ولا حليفو هالو سباي.
Not very graceful.
Got it, some more. Now you can walk.
Yes. Do it for your country. Yes!
Oh no!
Oh!
right, Samoa.
There we go. All right, 2 spots.
Let's go.
There you go. And up. We lost another 50 people during gymnastics in our
50 ሰባት ተሪፎም ሕጅኻ ኤርትራ አላ ስቲል ኤርትራ ምሳኻ ሱዳን አላ
down to our last 47 countries. In this challenge,
Somalia
each contestant gets a bow and arrow. And if they can hit this target from this platform, they move on. And for every vote they receive, the target gets pushed back 10 feet.
The country doesn't like Israel.
Germany, you have a history of trying to conquer everything.
While votes were...
Who are you voting for?
ዝበዝሕ ዝተመርፀት ዝጭምተሉ ይርሕቂ
This threat.
Really?
I like Indonesia.
ኢንዶኔዥያ ዝበዝሕ ዝመርፁ ዘለዉ ምክንያቱ ክሳብ ሕጂ ቅድሚት ይኹድዎ ጸኒሑ ንዑ ሞር ተመሪፀሞት ዝጭምተሉ ክርሕቂ ማለት እዩ
Last round, it was crazy.
All right, up first is Guam. Come on up. How many votes do you think you got?
I think I got maybe 3.
Yeah. Wow, you got 3. How'd you know?
I go to the gym, I'm fit, and...
ጓም አበይ ግን ጓም ትበሃል ሃገር አላ እስከዚያ ጓም ትበሃል ሃገር ክንሪያ ጓም አበይ ትርከብ ኣብዚ ደሴት እያ ጓም is United States Iceland ኣብዚ ዝርከባ ናሽቶ አይስላንድ አሜሪካ ጠርኒፋተነ
Agile. Is this your first time with the bow and arrow?
ጆኻ ጓም
A little short.
Any last words?
now
Monaco, you got 6 votes.
Oh la la.
Monaco
Oh, come on. Now
كل عينت
If I lost this one, I'll be super upset.
Oh no, we need that.
Robin Hood is here!
do me a
ليبيا
favor. Feel free to miss. You'll just lose a $250,000 medal.
For my Pacific people.
Anything you want to say?
Thanks for an opportunity.
Maybe
Japan
next time. Azerbaijan. Come on up. Believe in yourself.
جوغا
Bro, what the...
Do you want a piece of bar before you shoot it? This is our D's Nuts flavor.
Actually, that's my favorite.
chocolate حجزاته
Are you nervous?
It's far, but it's not too
سعودي
far.
عربيا قوالا لا
I
توداري
feel like I got it.
Oh! All right, Indonesia, you got 12 votes.
إندونيسيا تاريخ إيرترا حليفو مالتي ها
First person to finish the first round. One of the fastest.
إندونيسيا زي بزح فوت تغير له بزح تماريس له
Wish me luck. Wish me luck.
At the height, just to the left.
I'm so sorry, Indonesians. I tried my best. I promise. I was too big of a threat.
We are down to only 16 countries.
واو ستيل إيرترا لا
Contestants, come on in. Before we do the next event, I have a
Iraq.
Give each of them a briefcase with 10 grand. Hand it to them. If you want, you can walk away with 10 grand. If not, you could throw it in the pit and compete in the next event.
ውድድር ክቕፅል ዝደሊ ተን 10,000 ይደርብየን ኮቋር ዝደሊ 10,000 ሒዙ ክኸይድ እኽእል እዩ ዝብል ምርጫ ይመጽእ ኣሎ ኤርትራ ኦልሬዲ ሰንዲዋ ኣሎ 250,000 let's go
Here's the thing.
I came here to win.
I'm gonna annihilate everybody that's here.
Take it?
Yeah.
All right, one person took it.
ጥልያን 10,000 ያغለኒ ኢሉ
First man here. Last one. Fiji, you taking it?
Yes, sir.
ፊጂ ተደሚሮ ጥልያንን ፊጂን 10,000 ሒዞም ከይዶም
Each pair will compete in a 1v1 game of fencing.
ሳልሰይ ጾታ
Liberia, choose your fencing opponent.
ሰብ ምረጽ እዮም ተባሂሎም
Moldova, go over there and stand beside Liberia. Eritrea, who do you want to
Eritrea.
go up against?
The last person.
last person
Luxembourg. All right, come on.
ላክዘምበርግ ኤርትራ ምስ ላክዘምበርግ
Over. We're starting wars over.
Slovenia.
Hey, you and I, buddy. So, Samoa versus Azerbaijan.
I'm super pumped to bring home the gold for Samoa.
One of you will move on to compete for this. Oh, someone's gonna lunge. Samoa won. Suits they are
Azerbaijan
wearing is
تسعره.
rigged with technology that will tell us exactly who gets hit first. This is the same stuff they use in the real Olympics.
من كم سعربت مليسومو زلو خدان زفلت مليسومو زلو خدان من قديمو كم ستنكفى يفلت ينقري مالتي
Next up, Iraq versus Madagascar. Begin.
Iraq.
By the country.
عراق مدغشقر
Oh, no, nothing so far. Oh. Iraq, you won!
Let's go!
I love you.
Madagascar, you are eliminated. Whoa. And while they're fighting, I want to tell you guys about Stumble Guys, a free-to-play multiplayer game where 32 people compete to see if you're going to download Stumble Guys, you need to act quickly because for the next 30 days, everyone who downloads it gets our Mr. Beast gold skin for free. Win! I tried my best with Monica. Mr. Beast skin, Mr. Beast emote, and even levels based on extreme challenges from our video. I literally saw a spark. To PlayStation, Xbox. You can download it right now by using the link in the description or going to this link. Make sure you act quick to get the free Mr. Beast skin. And now
Liberia.
for our final game, Libya
Liberia
versus
تغلي في ليبيا.
Don't trip on the metal. Trip on the metal, it's funny.
Wait, we step here, right?
What? Then focus. And the winner is Libya.
Libya.
And with that, I'm going to grab the gold medal and we're off to the final event.
ኤርትራ ውድድር አይራዩናን
And now it's time for the final event, penalty kicks. The rules.
ናይ መወዳእታ ውድድር ናብ ናይ ብሪጎለ
The 7 countries remaining are Slovenia, Moldova, Tajikistan, Eritrea,
ኤሪትሪያ ሓሊፉሎ ስቲል ማለት እዩ ኤርትራ ሊቢያ
Libya, Iraq, and Somalia.
Iraq.
Come on in.
ናይ መወዳእታ ውድድር ብሪጎለ እዩ Let's go ኤርትሪያ ጀምራ
Okay.
ቦቴረ ደይብሉ
The first round was easy.
ሲምፕል
But that's not going to last very long. Chandler, bring it on out.
ኢራቅ
The real challenge starts now. This is where we're going to lose our first person.
That's too tight.
There's so much on the line. I thought this was going to be...
አጽቢቦም ኣለዎ ማለት እዩ እዚያውን ቅልል ዝበለት እያ ቦርቴለ ተዘይሃልዩ
Only like 6 foot wide. Someone's getting out.
Let's go
Even though we made the goal smaller,
ኤርትራ
we're still scoring.
ሊቢያ
Nobody's missing.
Eventually, someone's got to miss.
The first miss.
I'm sorry.
ነዚ ስሕተውን ኣሎ
Now only 6 remain.
ሽዱሽተ ተሪፎም ስሎቫንያ ኤርትራ ሊቢያ ሶማ ኢራቅ ታጃኪስታን Let's go
Any more walls? We're just going to move them like this a little bit. All right, Slovenia, you're up. Yeah! Wow.
ስሎቫንያ ቀዳመይቲ ኤርትራ No
Done better, but it was the best 5 days
ሓሙሽተ መዓልቲ ገይሮም ኣብዚ ውድድር
of my life.
Bro, this is
Anyways ናይስ ኣብዚ ምፃሕካ እኹል
only 5 remain.
I'm gonna win you!
ሊቢያ ሰብኣይ
All right,
Let's go ሊቢያ ንዓኻ ያ ክድግፍ ሕጂ
Samoa, you're up.
Hit the axe.
ካልኣይ
Obviously,
ተሰጊጉ
it's
ኣሎ
disappointing not to be able to win.
ኢራቅ ታጃኪስታን
On our final 2.
ክልተ
Libya
ተሪፎም
and Slovenia. Instead of one,
ክልተ ተሪፎም ሊቢያን ስሎቬንያን
you each are going to take turns being goalkeeper.
Yes.
ሕጂ ኸ ሊቢያ ሓደ ብሓደ ብሪጎለ ማለት እዩ
We go to someone. I'm nervous.
ኔይማር ጊደፍ ሊቢያ ይተኻለን
If you make this shot, you officially win our Olympics.
I can't believe this.
ጎል ተእቲዋ ናይ 250,000 ወርቂ ተዓወታ ይክኾኑ
1.
I'm gonna win!
Yes ሊቢያ
It's 20 pounds. Be careful.
تعوض $250,000
And Slovenia gets silver.
Silver is my color there.
كلايون تعويت له كلاي سالسايون تشليمون
To the Olympics, not only did they get these medals, but everyone who competed got $2,000.
نفس وكف عود درس تساتف خاني ككل تشح تشليمو له مالي سيزغاس نيرو معد فيديوز مثل نيرو حد يشحركينكم سبسكرايب واترسعوا سام نيكس مرب رقب بيس